weeks, and we are now seeing lingering showers in parts of the Bay after our latest storm. We know these storms well, but one of the biggest challenges has been predicting their timing and just how intense they're going to be.
Exactly. So I had the opportunity to actually go up with the NOAA hurricane hunters, and we flew over, and I'm going to pull it up just below me right now. We flew over this atmospheric river that's pushing its way, of course, into the West Coast. We got the tail end of it just last night into the early morning hours. But to show more about that, I'm going to send it over to this package.
To better understand atmospheric rivers, you have to go to them. And the only way to do that is to climb on board this specialized plane. I flew along with the NOAA hurricane hunters in today's mission, Atmospheric River Recon.
Additional aircraft on guard. NOAA 49 will be dropping a weather instrument.
Most people know the hurricane hunters for flying into extreme hurricanes. But during the winter, when hurricane season is over, this aircrew gets assigned to our side of the country. On board the modified G5, NOAA scientists using high-tech equipment partner with the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes on a mission called Atmospheric River Reconnaissance. Instead of chasing hurricanes in the Atlantic, they now fly directly into Pacific storms headed for the West Coast. Director of Research at CW3E, Luca De La Monache, is aboard this week's flight.
We are making measurements in a portion of the ocean where there isn't really any measurements. This is very important because it allows us to significantly improve the accuracy of the predictions.
Over the Pacific Ocean, there are very few weather balloons, ships, or radar sites, so forecasters are essentially predicting a major storm with limited information. This plane fixes that.
The data we're collecting is over a data sparse area, so there's not much data over the Pacific Ocean. So the data we're collecting is filling in the gaps and helping improve forecasts.
Inside the aircraft, scientists deploy instruments that collect data every few feet through these atmospheric rivers moving towards the West Coast.
This right here is a drop zone. It collects humidity, pressure, temperature, and the winds, and we're dropping 24 of these today. The importance of today's mission, we're collecting a lot of data that goes into real-time models that us as meteorologists use to forecast your Bay Area weather.
And it makes a measurable difference. Studies show that these reconnaissance flights can improve atmospheric river landfall and rainfall predictions by up to 20 to 30%, sometimes giving communities and water managers extra days of warning before flooding begins. Researchers say that climate change is increasing how much water these storms can carry, meaning stronger atmospheric rivers are becoming more likely.
What that means for California, that most likely in the next few decades we'll have more intense storms, more intense atmospheric rivers, and less frequent storms. But then that also means that we will alternate between very dry periods, long droughts, and wet periods, which will be a challenge for society to deal with.
And every winter, the hurricane hunters will now fly into them, not to study a hurricane, but to help California prepare for these challenges.
To better understand what's going to happen tomorrow, we need to know what's happening in the current moment, and that's why our data helps improve forecasts.
The aircraft will continue flying missions through the remainder of the winter storm season. Each flight helps refine rainfall forecast here in the Bay Area, sometimes by several inches, which can make the difference between a routine storm and a flood warning.
And we are going to post Jessica's story online at kpix.com so you can watch it anytime.